Hey friends, my name's Chris Mochinski. Thanks so much for being here. I want to talk to you guys about cryptocurrency. Now, I know that you guys have all heard of Bitcoin at this point, but did you know that there are over 6,000 other cryptocurrencies that exist? And in my opinion, one of the biggest hurdles that stands between the crypto market and mass adoption is that the exchanges and the trackers that exist out there are pretty intimidating. Am I right? So what if there was one master tracker that you could use for all of your assets across all of your exchanges that would keep track of everything that you own in a sort of fun and playful fashion? And that is why I created Magic Beans. When we land on the Magic Beans homepage here, we are greeted by a disclaimer. This is pretty much just telling us, number one, that I am not a financial advisor, and number two, that we're not actually spending money here. Magic Beans is strictly a portfolio tracker that you use to keep track of everything that you're buying at other exchanges. So I'm going to go ahead and hit agree. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. When we land on this homepage, there are two parts. The top part is our portfolio, which shows what we are tracking with real-time values. Down here is the Explore section. Now, this is going to come in handy because it's been kind of a long few days. I haven't really paid too much attention to the crypto market, and I want to catch up. So we can go ahead and scroll through here. We can look at a gazillion awesome currencies and kind of see what's going on. We got Cardano down 10%. It's kind of a crazy day. SHIB is up 60%. That's wild. Let's take a look at Doge, because you guys always hear people talking about Doge, right? So we go into Doge here, and we are greeted now by a coin info page. Let's see, we've got market cap, whatever that means. Oh, the developer, such a nice guy. He put a little question mark here so you can look at definitions of some of the terms scattered around the page. Looks like, Doge is down quite a bit today. It is in the red, but I actually added a few of these this morning. I added 200 Dogecoins. So since those are on my exchange, I'm going to add them to my portfolio here. So I'm going to enter 200, confirm purchase. We're going to confirm that. Nice. You added 200 Dogecoin. That's a total value of 48 bucks. And then you can see that that is in our portfolio here. Now, there's another one that I heard about over the weekend that I think is a pretty popular coin, but I don't own any. So we're going to search for it. I'm going to hit the add function here, and we are going to look for DOT, which is Polkadot. There it is. Let's go ahead and hit details. That one is also down almost 10% today. Sometimes when they're down, it's a good time to buy. So I'm actually going to go ahead, because on my exchange this morning, I bought 2 Polkadot tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2, confirm. There it is. Now that is in my portfolio. Spectacular. Now, the other thing that I did this morning was VRA, Veracity, had a great day yesterday. I actually sold 1,000 of those. So I'm going to make one modification with the up and down arrow here. I currently own 25,000 of those. We're going to actually sell 1,000. So now I'm going to own 24,119.17. Hit modify. There we go. That changed, and it's also reflected down here in our total. Magic Beans was built using several technologies, including React, Redux-Saga, Express, Material UI, and many more. I'm also currently using the fabulous CoinGecko API for market data and statistics. When I started building this app, I assumed that the charts were going to probably be the most challenging part, and I was right. I actually used React Chart JS 2, which is a bit newer and subsequently has less available documentation out there. Now, once I conquered that, I, of course, ended up wanting a second chart. So I made, on the home screen right here, there is a React Chart JS 2 donut chart that I put together that's actually responsive, shows the dollar amount and the essentially the percentage that you own there. I do want to say thanks to my instructors and cohort mates at Prime Digital Academy. I want to say thanks to all of you for taking the time to be here. And I want to say thanks to Cooper, my 8-year-old stepkid, for naming Magic Beans. Thanks for watching. Cheers.